7 benefits of consuming 3 dates every day. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the sweet and nutritious world of dates. These small but mighty fruits have been cherished for thousands of years, and for good reason. In this video, we'll uncover the 7 amazing benefits of consuming just 3 dates every day. Whether you're looking to boost your health, energy, or even your mood, dates have got you covered. Remember, this video is for educational purposes, so always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. Let's get started. Benefit 1. Packed with essential nutrients. First up, let's talk about the incredible nutritional profile of dates. Despite their small size, dates pack a powerful punch of essential nutrients. Just 3 dates provide a significant amount of your daily fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Dates are particularly rich in potassium, magnesium, copper, and manganese. Potassium is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function, while magnesium supports muscle and nerve function. Copper and manganese are essential for bone health and energy production. But that's not all. Dates also contain a variety of B vitamins, including B6, which plays a role in brain health and the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Additionally, dates are a good source of antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. So by eating just 3 dates a day, you're giving your body a concentrated dose of vital nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Benefit 2. Supports digestive health. Next, let's explore how dates can benefit your digestive health. One of the standout features of dates is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, and just 3 dates can provide about 18% of your daily fiber needs. Dietary fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps prevent constipation by promoting regular bowel movements. It also supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in digestion and overall gut health. Moreover, dates contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance, which can help lower blood cholesterol and glucose levels. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, promotes the movement of material through your digestive system and increases stool bulk, which is beneficial for those who struggle with irregular bowel movements or constipation. Incorporating dates into your daily diet can help ensure your digestive system runs smoothly, keeping you comfortable and reducing the risk of digestive issues. Benefit 3. Natural energy boost. Ever feel that mid-afternoon slump? Dates might be just the pick-me-up you need. These natural energy boosters are packed with simple sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which provide a quick and sustained energy boost without the crash associated with refined sugar. When you consume dates, your body quickly converts these natural sugars into energy. This makes dates an excellent snack before a workout, helping to fuel your exercise and improve performance. Plus, the high fiber content in dates ensures that the release of energy is steady and sustained, keeping you energized for longer periods. Benefit 4. Healthy sweet treat. What's more, dates are a healthier alternative to sugary snacks and desserts. They satisfy your sweet tooth while providing essential nutrients and fiber, making them a guilt-free treat. So the next time you're looking for a quick energy boost or a natural way to satisfy your sweet cravings, reach for 3 dates and feel the difference. Benefit 5. Promotes heart health. Your heart is the engine of your body, and keeping it healthy is paramount. Dates are heart-friendly fruits that can contribute to cardiovascular health in several ways. Firstly, the potassium in dates helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium. Consuming potassium-rich foods like dates can reduce the risk of high blood pressure, stroke, and heart disease. Secondly, the antioxidants in dates, such as flavonoids and phenolic acid, help reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative stress, both of which are linked to heart disease. These antioxidants protect your heart by reducing the buildup of plaque in your arteries and improving overall cardiovascular function. Additionally, the fiber in dates can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. High levels of LDL cholesterol are a major risk factor for heart disease, as they contribute to the formation of plaque in the arteries. By incorporating dates into your daily diet, you can help keep your cholesterol levels in check and support a healthy heart. Eating just 3 dates a day is a simple and delicious way to show your heart some love and reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues. Benefit 6. Enhances brain health. Last but certainly not least, dates have a positive impact on brain health and mood. The nutrients in dates, particularly vitamin B6, play a crucial role in brain function and the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood. Vitamin B6 is involved in the synthesis of serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, all of which are important for mood regulation and cognitive function. Adequate levels of these neurotransmitters can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, improve mood, and enhance overall cognitive performance. In addition to B6, the antioxidants in dates also support brain health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can contribute to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Benefit 7. Improves mood and focus. Moreover, dates provide natural sugars that can improve focus and concentration without the jittery effects of caffeine. This makes them an excellent snack for students, professionals, or anyone who needs to stay sharp and focused throughout the day. By eating 3 dates a day, you're not only nourishing your body, but also supporting your brain and mental well-being, helping you feel your best both physically and mentally. And there you have it. 7 incredible benefits of eating just 3 dates every day, from boosting your nutrient intake and energy levels to supporting digestive, heart, and brain health. Dates are truly a superfood worth incorporating into your diet. Remember, while dates are highly nutritious, it's important to consume them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have you experienced any of these benefits from eating dates? Let us know in the comments below, and if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to suggest them. Stay healthy and happy,